Yo, here we are. Our first bikini bike wash. Just getting started. Got the fellas over here. What's up? Alright, here you go, Future Prospect. Got McNasty here. Yeah, if you're asking what about the pink, we're supporting breast cancer. Oh, Luminous, always on her job. Our family, see? It's juicy. Oh, Linda. Oh, here we are. That's Michelle. I'm trying to grab some chips. Hey. Then we got Shohan. Yo. They're going to trophies we're throwing out there. 1 second. So Mikey, our DJ, always, never let us down. We got the King Diva. Here's our World Cup 10. VIP. Oh, somebody's running by. We got Seth over here. Oh, he's pretty in pink. Michelle, my friend. And last but not least, Kobe one more time.
Mafia. Brainova. Gil. Afuego. SP51. Se juntaron los lobos. Next time, there will be no next time. I apologize, even though I know it's lies. I'm tired of the games. I just want to bet. I know I'm alive. If she ever tries to fucking leave a king, I'ma tie her to the bed and set this house on fire. Just call us.
Chronic over here cleaning the pipe. Oh, wait a minute, back to the ladies. PP, oh. Over. Yo, Chronic!
Para capturarte, darme una noche como la que soñaste. En una esquina aparte, hablarte, besarte y arrinconarte. Haré lo posible para capturarte, darme una noche como la que soñaste. En una esquina aparte, hablarte, besarte y arrinconarte. Si lo pillo por la calle dice, si lo pillo por la disco dice, si lo pillo por el área dice.
Tone pretty and you love to wear Vicky Paul, Gucci and Gabbana, and you love the roller sticky. Crib in the city with a cherry 850. We can cruise down the avenue and shop to get this carrots in your pinky. Have your neck and wrist splitting. God bless you with it all. But never say give me the can. Pop yellow bottles, push whips and all models. Turn zoom on the car, he's sporting studded Gucci goggles. I'm a fly little nigga.
Yo, I saw a logo, an ancient logo.
Oh, what?
Why?
I said, what? I said, why? Oh, is he the president? Hey, Ratchet, Boo, Mickey. Got a lot of people here still. Got Gamble here with a bag of ice. That's Forsaken in the house. Yes, sir. That's good. You got Luminous. You got Luminous right here. No problem. Let's go, man. How you doing? Yeah. Okay.